Hi everybody. Today I figured I would show you how to run a report for the rooming tool. Got a lot of requests, although we have a paper version, I figured I'd just do a quick video. So the first thing you want to do is open up Internet Explorer and type in KPHC reports. Press enter. You'll be prompted to sign in here. If you don't know your password, you can always click here and reset your password. If it turns out that you don't have an account, please give site support a call at extension 3800 and we'll get you set up. Alright, so put in my password. Next I'm going to be presented with the screen here with all of my reports. So the first thing I'm going to do is click on document list. And drill down to public folders. Northern California folder. And I have a lot of folders in mine, but I will navigate down to the NC space KPHC ambulatory folder and click on the NC encounters folder. That should come up here in a second. And here you'll see that there are two reports here. One's for Excel and one is just the regular Crystal report. I like running the Crystal report because it has a nice drill down feature. So what I'm going to do is show you a trick so you don't have to navigate all these folders in the future. If you click once on it, right click, and then choose Organize, Create Shortcut. When you're done, go back up to My Favorites folder here. Right click on My Favorites folder, go to Organize, and paste shortcut. That way you don't have to browse this folder directory. So now that I'm here, I'm going to right click on the report and I'm going to click schedule. So for this example, we're going to run a report for Walnut Creek Nephrology. So the first thing I'm going to do is click on parameters. I'm going to choose medical center, Walnut Creek, and I've got it highlighted. Click the arrow, slide that over, hit OK. The next thing is specialty. I'm going to click on this empty link and I'm going to browse over to nephrology, highlight that, click the arrow, notice how it slides over here, click OK. And what I will do is I will run a custom report date-wise. So I'm going to click this last 7 days. And what I'm going to do is, you'll see here they have all these predefined reports. I'll just do a custom date range. So once you have that selected, click OK. Next you'll see start date and end date. So I'm going to go ahead and define the start and end date on this. So go to the calendar. And just for showing everybody here, I'm going to browse to, why don't we just go ahead and say Monday, April 2nd, and we'll click OK. That's the start date. And the end date, we'll say today. Today is the 5th. Okay. Okay, so we like the summary drill down report, so we're good in this area. Next, we're going to jump down to destination. What this means is how would you like this report to, how would you like to view it? And so for this example, what I'm going to show you is how to have Crystal Reports actually send you an email with the link. So the first thing we'll do here is we'll choose from drop down, click on email, and it wants you to fill out a couple of fields here. So the first thing we'll do is we'll say it's from, and if you click this drop down box, you can say email address, and what that does is actually put your email address in. Next, you say who's this going to? So we click the drop down box and we'll put in the same thing, the email address. It's going to go to me. If you like, I could have it go to an assistant manager or somebody else that was interested in viewing the report. For this example, I will use Haley Haynes. Subject is whatever I like to put in here, so I'll just say April. And this is very important. In this message area here, what you'll want to do is click this drop down box. Under Add Placeholder, you're going to choose Viewer Hyperlink. That's it. Now that we have all of these fields satisfied, we'll go ahead and click Schedule. I'll be taken out to a window where I'll see that my report is kind of hanging out in queue, pending to be ran. So what you could do is there's a refresh button here. You can click on that. And when you're in the queue, you'll see that your report is running, and then you'll see that it's successful, hopefully. Once it's successful, you should see that email show up in your Lotus Notes, and from there you can go ahead and click on the report and hopefully reward your staff. Thank you.